What's going on, guys? My name is Ben Fudge, and this is a basic tutorial for how to install and use some of the basic features of Buycraft, a bucket donation plugin built for automatically processing donations for your Minecraft server. In this video, I'm going to assume that you know how to set up a Craftbukkit server, and I'll help you with the rest as far as setting it up and getting it all working correctly. So the first thing we're going to need to do is go to buycraft.net so we can set up an account. The URL is at the top of the page, as you can see here. Click sign up free in the upper right corner, and you're going to set up an account with basic information that you would while setting up any account. And for the web store address, you can make anything you want. I'm going to call mine Buycraft Store 123 Awesome. And it's going to give you this your account has been created message and that you need to check your email. Just go to your email, send you an email really quick, and just activate that. And then you're going to get kicked back to the login screen here, where you can just log in as normal. You're going to get a screen that looks something very similar to this. Now, you're going to click this big blue download button, and then you're going to be redirected to dev.bukkit.org. This is where you're going to find the versions, the release date, the status, all that fun stuff. What you're going to look for is the latest version. In my case, it is Buycraft 6.4. Yours may not be that, but go ahead and click it, and then click download. Save that to wherever you save your files on your computer. In my case, it's right here on my desktop. Open your server directory wherever that may be, and carry that Buycraft file into your plugins folder. When you have done that, go ahead and start your server. When your server finally loads up, you're going to see this error at the bottom that says the specified secret key could not be found. What you're going to need to do is go back to your web browser. You can close this page. You're going to see this giant line here on the where you saw the big blue download button that says Buycraft secret and all these random letters and numbers. Go ahead and highlight that except for the slash at the beginning. Right click it, hit copy, open your server's command prompt back up, right click, paste, and hit enter. It's going to give you a couple messages, the most important being authenticated with the specified secret key. Plugin is now ready to be used. Well, that's a good sign. Go ahead and go back to your web browser and click complete at the bottom. It'll ask you what do you want to do next. Set up a payment gateway, create a new package. We're not going to worry about that. We're just going to click continue. When you see that, you're going to be redirected to your server dashboard. This is what you're going to see when you log into your Buycraft account every time, and this is where you're going to be able to manage your web store and all the packages you're selling to your users. Go ahead and click web store at the top, and you're going to see all these settings. This is where you can edit some of your general web store settings, but all we're going to worry about right now is payment settings, so you can actually receive money when people buy stuff. Click this big green new gateway button. You're going to see all these gateways. I'm going to use PayPal just because it's convenient. Click add, accept payments through PayPal, and enter your PayPal username. If you don't have a PayPal account, but you have one of those other accounts, feel free to do that. And click update when you're done. Gateway updated successfully. So now I can receive payments through PayPal. That was pretty simple. Go ahead and click content at the top. And we're going to go through how to add a package to your web store. Go ahead and hit this green new package button. And for making this video easy, I'm going to sell 5 wooden planks for $10. So the name of the package is 5 wooden planks. Description: this will give the buyer 5 wooden planks. You can also add BB code and other fancy bold, italic, all whatever you want to that, but we're just going to stick with simple text for now. And you're going to see all these settings at the bottom here. Type, single subscription, we're not selling it multiple times. Price, $10. Category, don't worry about that right now. Expire after, global limit, we're not going to worry about any of that right now. You can tinker with that if you wish, but all we're going to worry about right now is the commands. Now, commands is what happens when the user buys the package. If you were to give somebody wood in the game, you would type give, whatever their name is, 5, which is the code for wooden planks, and then 10. So it would give them 10 of 5, which is wooden planks again. So that's all we're doing right here. When a user buys something from your web store, all it's going to do is execute a command on your server, allowing whatever they bought to enter the game. So right here, we're going to type give name 510. And whenever somebody buys it, it will automatically replace name with that person's name. So if I bought it, it would run a command to the server saying give Ben Fudge 510. It's that simple. Go ahead and click add package, and you're going to see package added successfully. Type Buycraft reload in game to update. We're going to open our command prompt and enter that right here. Buycraft, reload. It's going to say loaded one package into the cache. That's pretty simple. Now at the back in the web browser, you're going to click Visit Web Store at the top. As you can see, I have Buycraft Store 123 awesome.buycraft.net, just as I specified when I made my account. Click Packages at the top, enter your username. You're going to see 5 wooden planks. Go ahead and click Buy, and you're going to see this will give the user 5 wooden planks. Now, if I look at my web store and somebody's buying from it, I don't like how it says packages, because that could fit under anything, and I don't like that. I want it to be just specific to blocks. So if you go back to your dashboard, you're going to see this new option here, Add Category. This is where you can add categories to your web store so you can organize packages just as I was talking about here. Luckily for us, when we made a package, it automatically made a category named packages, so we're just going to hit this blue edit button and rename packages to blocks. Now that's all I want to worry about for now. If you want to mess with settings with that, you can do that later. Hit update category. Category successfully updated. I'm going to go back to my web store and hit refresh. You're going to see now it says blocks. So when somebody goes to your web store, they can hit blocks and they're going to see 5 wooden planks under the blocks. Pretty nifty. They can hit buy, add it to their cart, and they can continue to check out with PayPal after accepting your terms and conditions and deciding how many they want. If you have any questions, be sure to look at the Buycraft support section, which can be found at the top of your dashboard under Help. If you have any other questions about the video, be sure to leave them in the comment section below. And be sure to check out Buycraft, my own server. If you have any questions about anything, you can be sure to see me there. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.